friends, welcome to FreeCAD drawing tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can change the center mark size manually on the drawing. So first we will see the default setting of the center marks. So visit edit tab and go to preferences, and if drawing is active then you will have the text draw settings here if your text draw workbench is active. Okay, so if drawing is open then only you will have this option of text draw. So click on text draw and we will see the center mark scale. So center mark scale is 2. So when I place the view, it will place the center mark scale of size 2. So if you see here, I make it larger here, so you can see that it is a center mark size 2 which is placed as per my default setting. To change the center mark scale you have to change this. So from 2 to I will change to 6 or 3 or 5. So you can see that center mark is changing here as I change the value here. So this is the very small tutorial about how to change the center mark scale in a FreeCAD for better visibility. And if you like this video and other videos on my channel, then you can buy a cup of coffee for me, and link is given in the description. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel for such type of FreeCAD video. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.